Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, minimalist star pendant, perfect for silver clay beginners. If you enjoy making silver clay jewelry at home, remember to subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram at Pure Silver Joy. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up to support our channel. Alright, let's get started. First, take about 5 grams of silver clay and knead it thoroughly to remove any air bubbles, and evenly distribute the moisture. Then roll the clay into a small ball. And shape it by hand into a 5-pointed star. If it's your first time working with silver clay, you can practice with Play-Doh first to get a feel for shaping it. Take your time and avoid making the star too thick or too rounded. Next, lightly coat your round cutter with release agent to prevent the clay from sticking. Press the round cutter onto the star. Let it sit for a few minutes until it's slightly dry, then carefully remove the hollowed-out star. Once the silver clay reaches the leather-hard stage, refine the edges with sandpaper or a sanding sponge for a smooth finish. Then use a curved file to refine the hollowed-out circular area. Now it's time to fire the piece. Before firing, make sure the pendant is completely dry. Today we'll use a gas stove for firing. For pieces weighing 1 to 5 grams, first preheat the pendant at a low temperature spot away from the flame for 3 to 5 minutes so it warms evenly. If the piece is fully dry, you won't see any noticeable white smoke. If smoke appears, extend the preheating time. Then move the piece to the edge of the flame. Gradually increase the heat to medium for about 5 minutes. And finally turn up to high heat for about 10 minutes. This ensures the piece is fully sintered from inside out while reducing the risk of cracking or uneven firing. During firing, watch the surface carefully. If it glows red, it's overheating. Immediately move it away from the flame or reduce the heat to avoid irreversible deformation. After firing, you can cool your piece in water. For pieces with gemstones, let them cool naturally. Use a steel brush to gently remove the white oxidation layer. Smooth the surface using sandpaper or a file. Using a powered rotary tool can make this faster and easier. To achieve a polished finish, start with a jewelry polishing compound designed for silver. At home, you can also achieve great results using polishing sticks. Coarse sticks create a matte effect, while the fine white side produces a glossy shine. Finally, apply a small amount of silver polishing cream and buff with a polishing cloth to make your pendant sparkle. And that's it, a simple, elegant silver star pendant. Easy to make at home, even if it's your first time. If you'd like to try making silver clay jewelry at home, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop. We have beginner-friendly starter kits with all the essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorial. We'd also love to see your creations or hear what you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!